Chapter 10 Agriculture, Food Production, and Rural Land Use. Objective: explain the connection between physical geography and agricultural practices. Knowledge: agricultural regions are influenced by the natural environment, for example, climate, soils, landforms. First, let's talk about climate. Climate is the weather conditions prevailing in an area in general or over a long period. Agriculture is highly dependent on a specific climate. A crop will have a difficult time growing if the climate is too cold or hot, or too dry or too wet. When farming, people should consider climate changes that are unexpected. The reason is wet rice must be grown in flooded areas. The water in the flooded fields are usually collected from rainfall, river overflow, or irrigation. Too much or too little water can damage the crop. South Asian farmers depend on monsoon rains, which do not always arrive at the same time each summer. Next, let's talk about soil. Soil has affected our ability to cultivate crops and influenced the success of civilizations. Certain types of soils will have different benefits or nutrients to help grow crops. To avoid exhausting the soils of its nutrients, some farmers will rotate their crops in order to restore it. Rice can grow in many types of soils, but as long as it's not too sandy. Clay soil is the most common soil used in growing rice because it holds water for long periods of time. A landform is a natural feature of the Earth's surface. Using the natural terrain of regions may provide uses for agriculture. For example, wet rice is most easily grown on flat land because the plants are submerged in water much of the time. However, it is also known to terrace the hillsides of river valleys to grow rice.